We at Horizon House know that. Everybody at the European Microwave Association knows that. EuMW has a very strong community, very strong sense of community. And events like this are part of what foster that bond of community that all of the participants have. It is unique in this day and age in a lot of ways. We're here to make the engine work, right? But it's EuMW's event, and the conference is always where it all starts. Of course, we're more closely engaged with the exhibition, but without the strong speaker roster, without the strong delegate base, you don't have an exhibition, you don't have an event.
This is it, the end of the 28th version of the European Microwave Week here in Utrecht. I'm so incredibly proud about all the people involved, our volunteers, our local team, the Jaarbeurs, Horizon House, but also EuMW. Together we made it an incredible week, and I'm really looking forward to the next edition. Thank you.